Say goodbye to daily vacuuming with the UFI L60 Robot Vacuum. Its powerful 5000 PA suction removes dust, hair, and crumbs in one pass, while iPath laser navigation maps your home for efficient, precise cleaning. The hair detangling technology cuts through tangled hair so you never have to clean the brush manually. Plus, the self-empty station holds up to 60 days of dirt, keeping your hands free for months. Smart, powerful, and truly effortless, the UFI L60 takes home cleaning to the next level. Create stunning content anywhere with the Godox MA5R full-color LED light. This ultra-slim, magnetic light doubles as a wireless power bank, keeping your devices charged while enhancing your visuals. With an adjustable color temperature range from 1800 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin and 14 lighting effects, it's perfect for any creative setup. Bluetooth and NFC connectivity allows seamless control via the Godox Light app. The 4,900 mAh battery delivers up to 7 hours of continuous use. Imagine the ease of charging your Apple Watch wirelessly, right from the wall. The VRURC 3-in-1 charging block delivers exactly that, plus rapid power for your iPhone and Android devices via its 20-watt USB-C and 18-watt USB-A ports. Its foldable plug and compact design make it the ultimate travel companion. With built-in safety features, this vibrant green charger offers a confident and clutter-free charging experience for all your essentials. Imagine harvesting fresh, homegrown herbs and vegetables year-round. The URUQ hydroponics growing system makes it effortless with a 24-watt LED grow light that mimics sunlight, growing plants 5 times faster than soil. Its ultra-quiet water pump boosts oxygen for strong roots, while a 6.5-liter tank and viewing window ensure easy maintenance. Adjustable up to 21 inches, it suits all growth stages. 3 light modes optimize veggies, herbs, and fruits. Simple to use. Just plug it in, add water, and grow. Fresh, healthy food at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Stay powered anywhere with the ECOFLOW Power Hat. This solar charging bucket hat fully charges your phone in just 3 to 4 hours, with dual USB-A and USB-C ports for charging 2 devices at once. Its UPF 50 plus wide brim blocks harmful UV rays, while the ultra-lightweight design ensures comfort. Built for the outdoors, it's IP65 rated for water and dust resistance. Perfect for hiking, fishing, or travel, it folds easily for storage. Available in adjustable sizes. Imagine effortlessly knowing your home's precise climate. The SwitchBot Meter Pro, a wireless 5-in-1 monitor, clearly displays temperature, humidity, time, and comfort. It supports extra outdoor sensors for comprehensive monitoring across your property. Get instant alerts for deviations and enjoy remote control via the hub. Its sleek design and long battery life make it a confident choice for a perfectly comfortable environment. Stay informed effortlessly with the SwitchBot Meter Pro. Upgrade your gaming experience with the Power Stone Gaming Recliner. Made from premium PU leather with high-resilience sponge, it offers durability and all-day comfort. Recline from 100 to 140 degrees, adjust the height, and enjoy a 360-degree swivel base with an extendable footrest. 8 massage modes target 4 key areas, easing tension during long sessions. A built-in cup holder and side pouch keep essentials within reach. Designed for gamers who demand comfort and convenience. Relax and enjoy reading or watching TV without straining your neck with vinmax Bed Prism Spectacles. These upgraded glasses use 90-degree prism lenses to let you view straight ahead while lying down, reducing neck pain and eye strain. Weighing just 0.03 pounds, they're ultra-light and comfortable for short use. Made from durable, high-quality materials, they fit over prescription glasses for added convenience. Bring the big screen anywhere with the XGIMI Elfin Flip 2024. This ultra-portable projector delivers stunning 1080p visuals with 400 ISO lumens for crisp, vibrant images. Licensed Netflix comes pre-installed, so your favorite shows are just a click away. The built-in adjustable stand lets you project at any angle, even onto the ceiling. With intelligent screen adaptation, setup is effortless. Just turn it on and enjoy. Sleek, compact, and equipped with powerful dual speakers, the Elfin Flip redefines entertainment on the go. Take the hassle out of lawn care with the Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch cordless lawn mower. With up to 45 minutes of runtime on a 4.0 amp-hour battery, it delivers gas-like power without the noise, fumes, or maintenance. The lightweight 16-inch deck makes maneuvering effortless, while the 5-position height adjustment ensures the perfect cut for any lawn. Mulch or bag clippings with its versatile 2-in-1 design. Easy push-button start and zero emissions make mowing a breeze. Introducing the PLAUD Note AI voice recorder, a sleek, award-winning device that redefines note-taking. With 64GB storage and dual-mode precision recording, it captures every detail from lectures to calls. The PLAUD app transcribes and summarizes in 112 languages, generating mind maps for enhanced understanding. Your privacy is paramount, data is encrypted and stored securely. Enjoy 30 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. Grow fresh herbs and vegetables effortlessly with the LetPot hydroponics growing system. With 12 pods, a 5.5-liter water tank, and a 24-watt full-spectrum LED, it accelerates plant growth by up to 40%. The LetPot app lets you control lighting, track growth, and receive watering reminders, all from your phone. Adjustable up to 30 inches, it supports plants at every stage. Built with sleek stainless steel, it's durable, stylish, and low maintenance. Take control of your heart health with the Withings BPM Connect. This FDA-cleared blood pressure monitor delivers accurate readings with instant color-coded feedback. Sync your data effortlessly via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to the HealthMate app, where you can track trends and share reports with your doctor. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months, ensuring hassle-free monitoring. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for home or on the go. Meet the LiberLive C1, the world's first stringless smart guitar. Play real chords instantly with no prior experience. Just flick the paddles for an authentic sound. Interactive LED chord sheets and nearly 100 rhythm patterns make learning effortless. Activate the built-in drum machine and bass line for a full band experience, perfect for solo performances. With superior sound quality and a foldable, lightweight design, the C1 is made for musicians on the go. Cook like a pro with the digital meat thermometer. Get ultra-fast, precise readings in just 2 to 4 seconds. Accurate within 2 degrees, perfect for grilling, baking, and candy making. It supports Fahrenheit and Celsius. Waterproof and easy to clean, its large backlit display ensures clear readings anytime. With an auto-off feature, retractable probe, and magnetic storage, it's built for convenience. Take the guesswork out of cooking and achieve perfect results every time. Upgrade your space with the bathroom small trash can with automatic touchless lid. This 2.6-gallon smart bin opens with a wave of your hand and closes automatically, reducing germs and odors. Its waterproof, sleek design fits perfectly in any room, while the wave-striped finish adds style and grip. The trash bag fix ring keeps bags secure and hidden. A cleaner, smarter way to manage waste, modern, hygienic, and effortlessly convenient. Struggling to stay focused? The Productivity Timer Flip Gravity Sensor Cube makes time management effortless. Just flip to start a preset countdown of 5, 10, 30, or 60 minutes, or customize your own. It features both count-up and countdown modes, a long-lasting rechargeable battery, and adjustable sound settings, including mute and vibration, perfect for work, study, cooking, and more. Upgrade your oral care with the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. Featuring advanced water pulse technology, it removes plaque and improves gum health with 1,400–1,800 pulses per minute. Choose from 4 modes and 11 intensity levels for a customized clean. With a 30-day battery life and IPX7 waterproof design, it's perfect for home or travel. Multiple nozzle attachments ensure deep cleaning for every need. Experience fresher breath and healthier gums with the ultimate cordless flosser. Revive your fabrics with the Homeasy Fabric Shaver Fuzz Remover. Its 6-blade system and 3-speed settings remove lint and pills effortlessly from clothes and furniture. The LED display shows battery life and speed, while the protective mesh prevents fabric damage. Rechargeable via Type-C, it runs up to 6 hours on a single charge. Compact and powerful, it's perfect for sweaters, couches, and more. Worried about identity theft? The Guard Your ID Advanced 2.0 roller makes protecting your personal information effortless. With a simple roll, it conceals sensitive data instantly, no mess, no noise, and no power needed. It covers 3 lines of text at once, perfect for bank statements, bills, and labels. Durable and long-lasting, it provides up to 1,000 impressions. Stay secure, protect your privacy. Upgrade your drive with the Ceeniu Car Air Freshener. Its smart ultrasonic diffuser and enlarged spray nozzle deliver a refreshing bamboo forest scent. Auto on-off technology activates with your car, while 3 adjustable modes let you control the fragrance. The 60-day battery and 45 milliliter refill provide up to 4 months of freshness. With ambient lighting and a sleek design, this long-lasting air freshener adds a touch of luxury to every journey. Train your dog with ease using the Pet Training Clicker with Wrist Strap. This 2-pack clicker set helps reinforce good behavior, teach commands, and stop excessive barking. The big button ensures easy clicking with a loud sound for clear communication. Durable, rust-resistant, and designed for long-term use, it comes with a convenient wrist strap for quick access. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt with the Crevice cleaning brush. Its ultra-fine, durable bristles penetrate deep into tight spaces, making cleaning effortless. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the tough bristles tackle grime in windows, sliding doors, baseboards, and bathroom gaps. Built to last, this multi-purpose brush is a must-have for any home. Tired of pet dental struggles? The Dog Toothbrush Finger Kit revolutionizes pet care. Imagine effortlessly cleaning with a soft, food-grade silicone brush, loved by pets for its cute design and gentle touch. It's multifunctional, cleans teeth, massages gums, and scrapes tongues, all while being safe and reusable. Celebrate the holiday season with the Nucookery Christmas Mug. This 16-ounce ceramic mug features an adorable Santa face design and comes in festive red or green. Perfect for coffee, tea, or hot cocoa. It's durable, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. Packaged in a ready-to-gift box with a Christmas card, it's the perfect present for family and friends. Brighten your home with Willed rechargeable stair lights. Featuring motion sensor and always-on modes, they turn on automatically in low light and switch off after 20 seconds of inactivity to save energy. The warm white glow is soft on the eyes, creating a cozy atmosphere. With a built-in magnet and adhesive pads, installation is effortless on any surface. Rechargeable and eco-friendly, these lights eliminate the need for batteries. Perfect for stairs, hallways, and bedrooms. Never miss a beat with the mobile power for Apple Watch. This wearable magnetic charger keeps your iWatch powered up on the go, even during workouts. Compatible with most Apple Watch models, its 1200 mAh battery provides multiple charges. The compact, stylish design features a comfortable silicone case and multiple safety protections. Meet the Proto-Arc Wireless Trackball Mouse, designed for ultimate comfort and precision. Its adjustable hinge lets you customize the angle for a natural hand position, reducing wrist strain. Navigate effortlessly with precise thumb control, no need to move your arm. Seamlessly switch between 3 devices via Bluetooth or 2.4G wireless. With a rechargeable battery and 5 adjustable DPI levels, it's built for efficiency. Quiet clicks and a smooth design enhance your workflow. Brighten your garden with these stunning solar butterfly lights. Each stake features 34 lifelike butterflies and 44 multicolored LED fairy lights, adding a magical touch to any outdoor space. Powered by high-efficiency solar panels with upgraded 600 mAh batteries, they charge quickly and shine for 8 to 12 hours. Designed for all weather conditions with IP65 waterproofing, they're perfect for gardens, patios, and walkways. Upgrade your hydration with the 2024 Portable Hydrogen Water Bottle. In just 3 minutes, it transforms regular water into hydrogen-rich alkaline water using advanced SPE and PEM electrolysis technology. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, it's safe, eco-friendly, and designed for everyday use. The 700 mAh battery lasts up to 20 uses per charge, perfect for home, office, travel, or exercise. The TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter ensures you're powered in over 150 countries, including the US, UK, EU, and Australia. Its all-in-one design features 4 plug types, Type-C, G, A, and I, making it a versatile companion for any traveler. With 3 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, it charges up to 5 devices simultaneously, catering to laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Safety is paramount with built-in double 10A fuses and a safety shutter design. Compact and lightweight, this adapter is an essential travel companion. Imagine the thrill of witnessing new life emerge. Our 12-egg incubator, designed for chicken, duck, and quail eggs, makes hatching simple and successful. With precise LED temperature control, automatic egg turning, and an external water refill for stable humidity, you'll feel confident every step of the way. The built-in candling and 360-degree view let you marvel at the miracle, while easy cleaning ensures repeated joy. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in buying this product, check the description box below.